I have a confession to make. Over the last few months, I've been trying to improve my overall health, tone my body, and lose a little bit of weight, but it hasn't been too effective. I've been eating more balanced, eating more vegetables and less processed foods, but I realized that the one biggest problem I had was that I was not getting enough protein. I am a coffee lover, so I learned about protein coffee. I decided that I would check out Javvy Coffee. This is a protein coffee. So let's unbox what's inside. Mocha, French vanilla, original, caramel, and a Javvy Coffee frother. I am so ready to hit my protein goal. Let's go and taste test. Day 1 of trying Javvy Coffee. Caramel flavor. This tastes like coffee and not protein, which I am very happy about because usually protein has like a strong chalky taste. This does not. This tastes like pure coffee with caramel flavor. I can't believe this is only 70 calories per scoop. There is no artificial sweetener and no added sugars. And I'm gonna have it with my breakfast today. Since I'm having my protein coffee with my breakfast today, for day 2, I'm going to try the protein coffee after my workout tomorrow morning. So I'll see you all for day 2. Good morning. I woke up with low energy today, but we are staying consistent, so we are going to the gym. Just got back from the gym. I had a pretty good workout today. I worked out mainly my legs. I'm focusing on toning my body. To keep that energy up, we are on day 2 of Javvy Coffee. Today I'll be trying the original flavor. So let's taste test. This is how it looks inside. Milk as the base. We are using 1 scoop, which is 10 grams of protein. With the Javvy electric frother, we're going to mix this. Wow, look at the marbling of the milk and the coffee. This is very quick and easy to blend. Just finished blending. I am going to add ice. Just by the smell of it, I love the original flavor. This actually might be my favorite, but let's see. Let's taste test the original flavor. Can't believe I'm getting 10 grams of protein in here. Of course, I am drinking coffee in the morning anyway, so having protein coffee is actually perfect because I'm getting protein in right after my workout as well as my caffeine for energy. Now I'm ready to start my day. I can't wait for day 3 because there are 2 other flavors I haven't tried yet, which is mocha and French vanilla. I'm ready for the next flavor for taste testing. I am obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed so far. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 3 of drinking protein coffee. Today I will be having the Javvy protein coffee in the French vanilla flavor. I am super excited to get this extra boost of energy to help my performance at the gym, so I'll be drinking this as pre-workout protein. So let's taste test. taste testing the French vanilla protein coffee. This was super easy to make. Milk or water if you want, 1 scoop or 2 if you want of the protein coffee, and then you froth it or mix it. It's very easy because this one actually blends very fast and very well. After it's blended, you just add in your ice, and here we go. Definitely I taste the French vanilla. Again, there is not a strong protein powder taste, which is very good. This is so delicious. I'm so glad I started my day with this protein coffee. Now I have the energy to go on with the rest of my day. Let's go to the gym. Good morning. Today is day 4 of having protein coffee. My body is very sore from the workout that I did yesterday, so I won't be going to the gym, and also I have a lot of work to catch up on. I will be doing that today. On that note, I will still be having the Javvy protein coffee. The next flavor that I will be trying is mocha, so let's taste test. I love the mocha flavor. Caramel was really good too. French vanilla was good as well. I don't know, I can't choose. All of them were good. So I love how instant, so that on a busy day, I can just make this very quickly and drink it while I do my work and get my protein in, because you know, like sometimes when you're very busy, it's really difficult to get your protein intake. So I am glad that I'm getting it through my coffee. I do like the mocha flavor a lot. I'm so obsessed, and I think the milk or the base really does change the flavor a little bit. It's perfect. This is such a perfect drink to have while you're working, because the coffee keeps you alert and energized, and the protein is necessary in your diet. And back to work we go.
For day 5, I decided to go with the original flavor again, and instead of using 1 scoop, I decided to use 2 scoops. I hear everyone usually goes for 2 scoops to get 20 grams of protein. I'm making my drink in a shaker bottle today because I want to drink it while I am at the gym. And for day 6, I have been so sore from my workout, so I decided to take another rest day. I was craving the mocha flavor. Since today I'm focused more on recovery, prebiotics and MCTs will actually benefit my recovery. I pretty much worked at my desk from sunrise to sunset the entire day. Drinking this protein coffee allowed me to stay focused and be the most productive I could. I was able to accomplish all of my work for the day.
Today is day 7, and I am ready to choose my favorite flavor of Javvy Coffee. And it's the original flavor. I woke up this morning craving this coffee, so I'm going to make that right now. Throughout this week, I feel like my energy has improved. After drinking this coffee, my workouts have been more effective. I've been having more energy to complete and achieve my fitness goals. I felt like my appetite was controlled, and I did not feel the need to snack throughout the day. This kept me full. On the days when I had the double scoop, which was 20 grams of protein, I was not hungry in between meals, so I did not snack at all. Overall, Javvy protein coffee was something that I looked forward to every single morning this week. To rank my favorite flavors, I would have to say original was number 1. Number 2 was caramel. Number 3 was mocha. And number 4 was French vanilla. I genuinely loved all of the flavors. I am so excited to continue my health and fitness journey, and I'm so far happy with my progress. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!